Hi, Karina Gardner here, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up one of these hot dog trays. It's super simple, but I thought I would make a video for you guys so that you could see how easy it is. This is a quick little project I wasn't even planning on making a video for, but then I started folding it and I thought, you know what, if I bought this file, I would want to see someone else fold this. So this is a quick cut, which is nice because if you cut a lot of them, if you're doing a party, it's fantastic. So what I like to do is I fold up on either side of the hot dog tray first, like that. And then you're going to want this point to be out. So you're folding that point out, and then that's going to direct you for the rest of your score lines. So the next one is in, the next one is out, in, out, and then the last one should be in, okay? So you got that accordion. Now we're gonna do the other side. So fold in, out, in, okay? All right, pretty easy, right? It's just a matter of actually starting with the correct thing. And the correct thing is to start with the point out. And then always ending it in. And the reason is because you want this piece to be up. So that's why this piece is in. All right, last side. And you can see, like, if you cut a whole bunch of these really quickly and then had your kids folding them before a party, like, it's just such an easy little trick, and it makes the cutest thing, okay? That's it. And if you want it up a little bit more, I did include in the file like something here that says like hot dog if you want it. But the truth is, like, it's really hard to see anyway. So I don't really usually include it. It's just like if you are extra and you like the extra specialness of that, then go for it, okay? So super easy, right? So cute and super easy. So let me just show you like how well it should fit. Okay, so here is the hot dog I've got, and you can see like it should fit perfectly with a standard size hot dog bun and standard size hot dog. Really easy like that. All right. Okay, if you are not subscribed to the channel, please do. If you like these tutorials, I do lots of tutorials every week in sewing, crafting, and design education. And if you are not one of my VIPs, you are missing out. I give out free files literally every single week to my Silhouette VIP group. And you can join that group by going to karinagardner.com and clicking on VIP. See you guys.